is your First Alert 5 weather with Mike Daniels.
Still another Pacific storm dropping snow and creating a slick Wolf Creek Pass today. This was around 3:30 this afternoon. Tough travel, but great skiing. This from the Wolf Creek Ski Resort. Man, the Powder Hounds are loving it. Take a look at that. They could get another foot of new snow by noon tomorrow. Great news for the skiers and, of course, great news for water concerns across southwestern Colorado. Outside we go live right now. We've got clouds across Colorado Springs, dry skies all across the Pikes Peak region. That's live from downtown Pueblo, mostly cloudy skies, and the wind finally starting to die down. Just die down. It's still out there, but not as strong as what you had earlier today. Here's an early peek at that weekend. Gradual cool down both Saturday into Sunday. Going to have gusty wind on Saturday, and then by late on Sunday could see snow develop here across most parts of Colorado Springs, El Paso County, and the Pikes Peak region. In Pueblo, not bad, 54, but you're going to have to deal with some strong gusty wind on Saturday. Colder on Sunday. Snow develops, but I think it'll be late Sunday evening before you start to see some of that snow. Updated forecast as that storm moves our way. Here's your next weather maker. Take a look at this big slug of moisture off to the southwest of us right now. Yes, it's headed right for the state of Colorado. Later tonight, a few rain showers, a few snow showers in some areas, even a little bit of freezing drizzle across parts of the News 5 viewing area. Be alert for that freezing drizzle. It can load up on that surface and create some very hazardous travel. Here's what's happening. 7:30 tonight, a little bit of light snow across parts of Teller County. Some real heavy snows across the mountains from Monarch Pass all the way down to Wolf Creek Pass. There's that freezing drizzle later tonight across parts of eastern Colorado. Going to see that stuff continue through the late night into the early morning hours. Then 3 to 3:30 tomorrow morning, another little piece of energy bringing some snow from Teller County into parts of El Paso County, but that stuff is short-lived. By sunrise tomorrow morning, mostly sunny skies along the I-25 corridor. Not going to be a big fall of snow by any means. Parts of the Springs, 0 to maybe a half an inch of snow. Northern El Paso County, possibly up to an inch of snow. Teller, I've got you down from 1 to 3, and Sangres could get anywhere from 3 to 6 inches of snow by midday tomorrow. Dangerous travel across the northern central into the San Juan Mountains. A lot of wind and a lot of snow, virtually making it mission impossible to roll over the divide out to the western slope. If you have to travel westbound over the next, let's say, 18 hours, check the latest road reports before you move out. All right, winds overnight tonight, a whole different world. A lot of us had a tough time sleeping last night due to that strong wind, but look at this. Early tomorrow morning, just a light breeze across the Springs in Pueblo. Even tomorrow morning, 8 to 9 a.m., mainly light winds around here, but here we go by late morning. Here comes that strong west wind pushing off the mountains. It'll still be windy during the afternoon hours, finally starting to taper down after sunset tomorrow evening. Here's how bad that wind got today. Peak gusts in the 50s, 60s, and the Air Force Academy, hurricane force for the second day in a row at 77 miles per hour. Almanac, this is just crazy. Pueblo, your low this morning, 52 degrees. And your average high this time of year is cooler than that at 50. In the Springs, we topped out at 61 after a real warm morning low of 47 degrees. Outside right now, temps all over the place, 30s, 40s, and 50s. There's a cold front bringing cold air from east to west. Right now, Canyon City at 52, but only 39 out at Lamar. That cold air will eventually get into Canyon City a little later this evening. Low temps tonight, much colder than last night, 20s and 30s most areas. Even across northern El Paso County, Black Forest, you're down to 22 degrees tonight. Afternoon highs tomorrow, still not bad for this time of the year, but that's due to that westerly wind coming down the mountains. Afternoon highs will reach the 50s and 60s, and that'll be the warmest day by far for at least the next 7 days. In Colorado Springs, gusty wind on Saturday. Here we go Sunday, not a bad day early. It's going to be colder, but then you'll have to deal with snow Sunday night into Monday. Going to give that a 2 on the storm impact scale. Monday will be a weather alert day. This time we'll have an upslope flow with the storm, so I think we'll have accumulating snows across Colorado Springs, and then just staying real cold Tuesday, Wednesday, into next Thursday. Pueblo windy and warm tomorrow. Then your weather goes into a huge tailspin. Monday will be 40 degrees colder than what you'll have tomorrow. In between, windy on Saturday, Sunday colder with snow developing late. A high of 24 on Monday. We'll give that a 2 on the storm impact scale. It'll be a weather alert day, snow and slick roads across the Steel City. Canyon City, look at those temperatures drop from the 60s into the terrible 20s. Snow develops late on Sunday, sticks around Monday. You'll need the cold weather gear most of next week, and in Woodland Park, could see a couple of passing flurries on Saturday, but the main storm doesn't arrive until Sunday into Monday. Snow and much colder air in your forecast. Roads will be slick later on Sunday, continuing through at least Monday.